Okay, Manshu. So the first question is,
Mhm.
what is impure function?
Impure functions are those functions whose output we cannot expect whose outputs. Like we cannot expect what it will return. Like for example, there is some if and else statements like if a value
Mm-hmm.
one is passed to the function, then it should
Okay.
return two. And then if the value 2 is passed to the function, then it should return 1. So we cannot expect the function to return the same value by same output.
Okay. Can you write an impure function example?
Yeah, yeah, sure. We can go. Mm, I just say that it will go to now if A is divisible by A, then it should return even. It's, it should return 1. Like I have made a simple example
Mhm.
where
Okay.
it will check the impure.
Mm-hmm.
And if we pass in 3,
Okay.
then it should become order.
Here it is giving the same output, no? If you pass 3,
Yeah, constant of 1.
that's not impure
So,
function, no?
yeah, we can just take a variable that ABC
Mm-hmm.
goes to 0, and then let's just say that it will return ABC plus A.
Okay.
Yeah, so we are using 3
Mm-hmm.
again, and it should return, I guess, 3 from 4 times. Yeah. Hmm.
Okay. So if you pass 3, it will give you 3 only. Then how come it is impure?
It's
No, what is ABC?
the plus value in this equals to 0. So output is not expectable with the pure function. Uh,
Sorry, I didn't get you.
a function whose output is not expected, like
Okay.
we cannot expect its output, then it's an
Mm-hmm.
impure function.
And what is pure function?
Pure function is by giving the same inputs, it always gives the same outputs. So it's a pure function.
Is function declaration?
Function declaration. Uh, this is function declaration, I guess. Yeah.
Okay. And what is function expression?
Like const b equals to function a. Yeah. And this is function expression.
So what is the difference between them?
Uh, the difference between them is about hosting. Like we are using const here instead of
Mm-hmm.
function. So it will be behave like a const variable. This function will behave like a const variable. But here, when function is declared, then while in compilation phase, the whole execution context of this function will be pushed into call stack.
Okay.
So
Yes.
we can even use it before it is uh, initialized. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Good. Can you write an arrow function?
yeah.
Okay. Why do we use the arrow functions, Himanshu, when we have normal functions already there?
Well, arrow functions are the easy syntax for the normal functions, as we can use arrow functions as in callback functions to any function, because arrow functions are easy to understand to another user or another person if he is trying to read your code.
Okay.
So it's more readable.
What about this keyword difference?
Yeah, this keyword difference is the arrow functions takes its parent components or functions this
Okay.
instead of it doesn't have its own this, but this will return its own this,
Okay.
its own execution context, but it will return its parent execution context.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you write one nested array?
Okay. Let yeah. This one, two, three, four, five, six.
Yeah, it's fine. Fine.
Okay. Yeah.
How can you flat this array? I mean, I
Mm,
want the array to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No nested array should be there.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
That's simple array. And then we can do is we can do for loop. Let I equals to 0. I is less than at arr dot length and I plus plus. And then what we can do is if we can check that if arr I array dot is array.
Yeah.
Shall I make
What
it
is
a
your?
function?
Yeah, it is fine. What is your approach here?
I'm trying to make a function flat and
Mm-hmm.
then in this in this we can just we can just recall the function when it gets an array here. Like
Okay.
yeah, yeah, it will get an array. So if
Mm-hmm. So you basically
oh,
are trying to use the recursion concept.
yeah, that I equals to 0, and then are problem. So I plus plus. And then if ar I sorry, array dot is array, then what we do we can use flat and then ar I, or else we can just write tilde dot push
Mm-hmm.
ar I. Yeah, I think it should work fine. Then
You have
yeah,
to log in.
ar then console dot log write it. Yeah,
Done it.
one undefined. Why
Why it
does
is
that?
giving undefined?
Yeah, array dot is array should work fine. Why could it be happening? Can you just give me a hint? Undefined. Why is it going undefined? Okay, so
You have written the array in the wrong way. Let array 2, comma 3. Then you had to give a comma there. After 2, 3. Yeah. Now check.
um, yeah, successfully.
Can
Alright,
you write one string there? Any string?
let str just p I
No, give
will
space.
not
Give
work.
space.
Okay. Hello, test. Mhm. Yeah.
Okay. Now you have to reverse the words in that string. The output should be interview take hello.
uh, ARR equals to SER plus split. Then which space is right. So yeah, and what is the name? We can reverse also empty array. And then we can use the for loop that I equals to ARR dot length. I is greater than equals to 0.
Mm-hmm.
And I minus 1. Yeah. And we should
Okay.
just reverse the code. The push ARR I. And then we can use console dot reverse dot run with this image. Yeah, it will take an
I've shared you one code snippet in a chat window. Will you please copy it and paste it here? And please do
yeah.
not run the code.
Yeah.
What will be the console.log values here?
Uh, it will be 3,
Three.
1, 2. It will just yeah, it will be 3 times 3
Why three times?
because by the time the set time of is completed, this time is
Mm-hmm.
completed, the var value will become 3 and
Okay.
it will be printed thrice.
Okay.
Yeah,
And what if we have to print one, two, three?
if we have to print, then you can just here, yeah, I will take you only. So that's why it will return 1 to 3, I guess. Yeah, 0, 1, 2. Yeah,
Okay.
even with var.
And if you don't pass any parameter and just write there let, what will happen?
It will just return the same 0, 1, 2.
I shared you
1.
one more snippet.
Okay. Okay.
What will it print?
1, 4, 3, 2.
1, 4, 3, 2. Why?
Yeah. Because one console of one is the synchronous task. It will
Mm-hmm.
just go into the call stack and then it will be printed uh, at that time only. After
Okay.
that, the set time of comes, which is an
Mm-hmm.
asynchronous task. So, and set time
Okay.
of goes to the micro task queue.
Okay.
Yeah. Uh, and
Is it
then
set timeout or promise?
set amount goes to macro task queue or micro task queue. Like it goes to the callback queue, and then after that
Mm-hmm.
the promise it goes to the micro task queue.
Yeah.
If yeah, if resolve is there and then is
Mm-hmm.
getting filtered, then it will go to the micro task queue, and then it will just go to the whole stack, and then it will be printed as well. So micro task queue and callback queue will be returned after the call stack is empty. So one
Okay.
will be printed, one will be printed. After that call
Mm-hmm.
stack empty, then macro task queue has the highest priority over all the callback queues. So this will be printed, and then this setup will be printed. One, four,
Okay.
three, two. Shall I learn the one?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine.